This week we're going somewhere sweet.
So come run away with us to Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Very excited today. Gonna go out to Hershey and visit the Hershey plant, the Hershey Museum.
Right.
Hopefully today we'll get to go to the gardens, but we might have to wait for another day. It's getting a little overcast.
Right.
Hopefully we'll get sunshine, we don't know. But then we also have to go find a place to eat, and maybe at the Hershey Hotel.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
Make it a whole Hershey experience.
Yes.
So let's get into town and leave this beautiful campground and go look at Hershey.
Let's go. Join us in Hershey.
Our first stop is the Hershey Story, which has a museum and like a little chocolate lab.
Yep.
So we're gonna go see. I think it's free, but we'll find out.
Yep, it should be free. To sample there is a small cost. We'll kind of go over that a little bit later.
Excellent.
All right, let's go check out Hershey.
Yeah! We're about to make our own s'mores bar. We're gonna let Anne go first. My turn. We got our mold from the chocolate lab. Chocolate. Put the chocolate in.
I have no time for questions, but I have 100 questions in my head.
Oh, for us?
Yes,
Well,
that's
we'll give you
fascinating.
a sticker before we go,
Yeah.
and then on our website you can ask all the questions you want.
Yeah.
Well, that's so cool. You guys do like a vlog or something?
Yeah,
Yeah.
YouTube, but we're on Instagram, Facebook. Yeah.
We'll look it up,
Yeah, it's really fun.
right? That's how we...
You're gonna get to see this in 6 weeks.
Oh, cool.
To watch the videos, so I'm paying attention. Oh. It's gonna be marshmallow heavy in that section. So we've made our s'mores bars. Let's take a look. So now they're going to take our candies. This young lady's going to take our candies and she's going to put it in the fridge for us so we can pick it up later. So our chocolate bars are all done. There's Anne's. Here's mine. Got a little Chocolate Labs logo. And we got our little bags. Now we just gotta wait to eat them. So we just went through the Milton Hershey Museum.
Right?
And did the chocolate lab where we made our own s'mores bar.
Very
and
cool.
we even ate them. Very good.
Yes.
Especially after they chilled. Now we're gonna go into the chocolate tour.
Right?
And we're gonna...
In a big store.
And a big store. And we're gonna get to see how they make the chocolate.
All right, let's go. Let's check it out.
Very exciting.
Let's put on our masks.
So Anne has lined up something really special for us. We're going to the Mill in Hershey.
Right?
And it's a unique kind of restaurant. And they've got all sorts of good lunch, dinner options. And we're really excited to see what we get.
So during the week, it's open 4 to 10. So lunch, I think, is only on weekends, at least right now. So we are excited to see what they have to eat. It looked really good from what I researched.
Let's go to the
Let's
Mill.
go!
What a pick by Anne.
What a good meal.
Amazing, amazing food. So we started off with the duck sausage corn dogs.
Yep.
Which had kind of like a sweet and sour drizzle on top.
Mm-hmm.
Big plump corn dogs. Not what I was picturing,
No,
but
not at
still
all.
delicious.
Yeah, great meal to share.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you could share it with 4 people
Yeah,
almost.
few
I mean,
others.
It came with 2 big corn dogs.
Right.
And I mean, it was filling. Then I had, but let's talk about yours first. You had...
I had scallops with a kind of a vegetable succotash, I guess.
Yeah, it looked like it had cucumbers.
It had cucumbers, corn, squash, onion leeks, I think.
Yeah,
It's
looked
all
like
medley.
like a nice succotash.
Yeah.
And then I had, but your scallops were delicious.
Oh, the scallops
so let me
were,
have a
were
couple
perfect.
of bites, and
yeah.
the scallops were
Yeah, they were
big,
amazing.
plump,
Yep.
50-cent piece sized scallops.
Yes.
And thick. Then I had a salmon with a mustard cream sauce, and it was a hash of parsnips, potatoes, and carrots. And it all worked well together. Came sitting on top, so you can get a little bit of everything in the bite. Really tasty. Big portions.
Yes.
It is a nicer restaurant.
Yeah, you're going to be in the $20 range for plates.
Yeah, I mean, I would definitely give it like $3 signs.
Yeah.
But worth the money.
Oh, yeah.
And
Definitely.
they had some desserts. We didn't do any desserts,
Right.
but
I had a nice glass of Riesling. That was nice to actually have something that wasn't too dry. So it was a perfect glass of Riesling. Yes.
and I had a Roy Rogers or Cherry Coke. It's, you know, I don't do Shirley Temples, I do Roy Rogers.
Yes.
But delicious. And
Yeah.
Nicole was our waitress. She
Did a fantastic
really,
job.
really attentive and friendly, and
Yep.
had some suggestions. And it was just overall great meal to
Here in
kinda
Hershey.
celebrate Hershey and have
Yeah.
us wrap up.
All right.
Well,
Oh my gosh.
so good.
So good. And look at these. Reese's peanut butter cup shades. You can't beat that.
One more time. Reese's what?
Reese's peanut butter cup.
Peanut butter?
Reese's peanut butter cup.
Might have been on the road a little bit too much today. Great time
Yes.
in Hershey. Loved learning about the history. Didn't know about the caramel company before Hershey.
Yeah, before he did chocolate, he did caramel. But then he thought
Caramel was a fad.
It was a fad. Let's not
And let's
worry
do
about
something
that.
more exotic. So that was really cool. The museum and the chocolate lab were about $23 a person.
$22 a person. Yep.
It's funny because it says that the history tour is free, but you have to pay to get in the building.
Right.
And then it's free, so it's not really free.
You can go into their museum shop for free.
And their cafe for free.
Right.
They also had a Hershey's tasting where you could taste chocolate, liquid chocolate from around. We didn't do that. That was another separate charge.
And those are two separate charges for those.
Yeah, if you were going to do one or the other, as much as making the candy bar was really cool at the chocolate lab, I think the free chocolate tour at Chocolate World was really cool, and they had a much bigger store.
Yes.
So tons of really cool big Hershey bars.
Yeah, don't go to the museum and think that's it, because I almost made that mistake. So,
we both did. We thought that shop might be it, and then when we got to Chocolate World, we saw how huge.
Right, because we kept hearing about this cool free ride, and you know, the nice thing is right now with COVID, I mean, usually lines are like Disney World lines.
Yeah, we got right through the line.
We got right through the line, got right on it. It was fantastic.
It was perfect.
And by the way, it also really does smell like chocolate once you enter Chocolate World.
Oh my god!
And on the ride.
Yeah, it was like.
It's like overpowering.
It was
lovely.
Really, it was a good smell. But it was really cool. They also had another section where you can make your own candy bar.
Yes.
They had a trolley tour that goes around. Those are all separate costs. A
and
4D
a
movie.
4D movie.
But
more
that's
geared towards kids.
Yeah, so we didn't do that.
Yeah, and one of the things wasn't running at the time.
Right. Then down the way was the entrance into the amusement park section.
Yes, Hershey Park.
Parking's free. For the Chocolate World, up to 3 hours,
yeah.
Exactly. So,
and actually, I just read that you can, for $15, you park all day if you're going to just Hershey Park.
Okay.
So,
excellent. Good job. Good read.
Yeah.
So this is where we'll end. If you first time here, please hit subscribe. We got all the social media. Please leave us comments, and we'll see you at the next city.
All right. Thanks, guys, for joining us in Hershey.
This episode, we are going somewhere sweet.
Yes, and wonderful. Run away with us. Stop recording.
I told you, it's just...
I know, I'm trying to think of something clever.
Don't
Stop recording.
You don't need anything clever.
Stop recording.